So you've been banned on Vinted and you don't know what to do. You're panicking and you're searching for help. This is a situation that I went through in December 2025, Q4 December, worst possible time for it to happen. Out of nowhere, having done nothing wrong at all, I got a random message from Vinted banning me. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about what you can do to fix the problem. I was able to fix this situation for me in under an hour. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about that. For context, my name's AD, I'm a reseller and I've been reselling for the past decade. And during the course of that time, I've done hundreds of thousands of pounds in sales. I've been through multiple algorithm changes. And I've also made plenty of mistakes. I cover this kind of content on my channel. I release reselling videos daily. I also teach students how to scale their reselling business to a point where they can achieve financial freedom. So if that's useful for you, then check the link in Stan's store. You just have to copy that into a web browser and it'll take you through to that. Right, let's get into it then. So you've been banned by Vinted. Here's what you're going to do. You are going to take a screenshot of the message that they have sent you and you're going to upload it directly into ChatGPT or Grok or any of the other AI systems. Then what you're going to do is explain for context to the AI system exactly how your business operates and what you do. Give it as much detail as possible, because what it will do is it will be able to formulate an answer for you, a response to this appeal, which is incredibly direct. It will do it faster and better than anyone else out there can do. I see some people who are on this platform and others offering a service to get your account unbanned. I'm telling you right now, what they are doing is going on to chat and going, help me with this is the situation, and they're just spewing out this common return. Getting banned on Vinted is a problem on the platform at the minute that Vinted need to address, and they will in time. It'll stop picking up on the wrong people, which is probably, who you are in this situation and who I was. I was a pro seller at the time and I still got a ban. So do what I've said, take all of that information, give it to the AI, it's going to give you a response, and then you just copy and paste that in. There might be a character limit on it, so you just got to specify that to chat or whatever and put that in. That will deal with it. You will have your account response, your response to this ban submitted in under an hour. If you're slow, it should have been done in half an hour, and then you've just got to sit back and wait. This is exactly what I did, and I was able to get unbanned within 5 days of the 7-day ban. Not perfect, but that wasn't my fault, it was theirs. If you know anyone who's going through a ban at the minute and the stress that's associated, because I can appreciate it, please share this with them, because I'm sure that they're going to find it useful. And if you're a Vinted seller and you're worried that the Vinted secret police are going to come out and ban you, you should probably save this in case you forget.